In this video, I'll show you how you can change the ringtone on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, all you have to do is access the settings, and the easiest way is by simply swiping down on the watch face to access the control settings, and then from here tap on the settings wheel icon at the bottom right corner. Now from here, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration, select that, and then scroll down until you find ringtone. As you can see, here it is, so tap on it, and then in case you have to increase the ringtone to hear the different ringtones, so from here you can choose a couple of ringtones. So let me just increase the ringtone volume. So once you go back to the ringtone, you can find the one that you'd like to use, and you can hear a preview of how it sounds. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.